Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device and choosing the app to clone. First, make sure you have the required environment, either a root-enabled phone or a device that supports work profiles. Once ready, install only WAY and grant storage plus accessibility permissions so cloning can run. Next, open the app, locate the target application, and tap to start a new clone. You do this because permissions and environment determine whether the cloned package will run independently and avoid conflicts. Once the initial clone is created, you configure its behavior to avoid collisions and preserve privacy. Start by renaming the app, and if available, alter the package ID so Android treats it as a distinct install. Then isolate permissions, restrict location or contacts, and decide whether to mirror network or use separate profile routing. Make sure to set a launch shortcut and auto-start rules. Finally, test by signing into a secondary account so you confirm the clone functions without disturbing the original. To finish, validate the cloned app and secure its lifecycle. You should confirm update settings. Manual updates avoid mismatches between original and clone. Once everything runs, export the cloned APK and settings for backup. If problems occur, first clear the clone's data and cache, then reinstall or recreate the clone while toggling isolation options like package ID or work profile use. If that fails, restore the exported backup. These steps fix most issues while keeping the original app untouched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.